step-by-step step-by-step research article preparation using AI tools has been organized in continuation of this. This workshop will cover the following topics: how to write a research article, practical guidelines for writing your manuscript, why AI tools are important in research writing, utilize AI tools in every step of your manuscript preparation, hands-on training on each tool used in crafting your manuscript. So this workshop will cover the professional and ethical uses of AI in preparing research articles step by step. Now I am going to introduce our workshop facilitator, Dr. Rabia Tabassum, before starting her lecture. In the dynamic realm of molecular biology, Dr. Rabia Tabassum emerges as a visionary force, boasting a distinguished career that spans over 3 impactful years. Holding a PhD in molecular biology from the University of Lahore, she has become synonymous with groundbreaking contributions in the specialized domain of nanoparticle-based cargo development. Dr. Tabassum meticulous work has found resonance in the scientific community, particularly in her noteworthy research on doxorubicin loaded gold nanoparticles and inorganic nanoparticle complexes, both published in esteemed journals. Beyond traditional research, Dr. Tabassum's influence extends to her pivotal role at the CLIOCAP laboratory, where she orchestrated the processing of SARS-CoV-2 samples. Her implementation of BSLII standards not only upheld laboratory sterility but also contributed significantly to the approval of SARS-CoV-2 diagnostic kits by the Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan. This testament to leadership underscores her ability to seamlessly integrate theoretical knowledge with practical applications, a skill set that positions her as a key player in advancing molecular biology. Dr. Tabassum's commitment to education and the mentorship of graduate students is a cornerstone of her professional journey, guiding and shaping the trajectories of aspiring researchers. She has played a pivotal role in facilitating their growth, leading to impactful international journal publications. Her multifaceted skill set, encompassing project management, hands-on training, and effective communication, is not only evident in the laboratory but also in her role as a presenter at prestigious conferences and symposiums. In essence, Dr. Rabia Tabassum stands as a beacon of scientific excellence, leadership, and a genuine dedication to advancing the frontiers of knowledge in the dynamic and ever evolving field of molecular biology. Her journey epitomizes the fusion of academic rigor, innovative research, and a passion for making a positive impact on the scientific landscape, solidifying her status as a trailblazing figure in the realm of molecular biology.